you trying to buy a home? And are you kind of curious or wondering when you should sign some papers? And what even are those papers? Don't worry, I got you. Alright, so check it. It used to be that when you wanted to buy a home, you'd have to get into a buyer agency agreement with your buyer's agent, with your real estate agent. And simply put, that's just a contract between you and the firm, the real estate firm that agent works for, saying that you're exclusively working with that agent through that firm or through that agent with that firm. Basically, it's the same thing. You're working with an agent for that firm's representing you. And what it means is exclusive. Obviously, you're not working with any other firms out there. And the time that you would have to sign those papers would be before you wanted to submit an offer. So for example, you've been talking to your agent for a few months, you've been looking at some properties and things, and you've even gone on a few showings. But yet you have not signed buyer's agency paperwork. And that's perfectly fine, or was perfectly fine. And let's say that, after 2 or 3, 4 showings and you finally found one you liked, you wanted to put in an offer. That's when, if you hadn't already, your agent would present buyer agency paperwork with you, go over what that all means, and then you would sign them and you could submit an offer. Hopefully, fingers crossed, your offer got accepted. Congratulations, you're under contract. Fast forward it to now. So, the National Association of Realtors settlement says that we as agents have to have our buyers under buyer agency before we even go do one showing with you. So, for example, you have been shopping around for a buyer agent, you found one that you like, and you've been talking to him or her for the last couple of months or the last couple of weeks or the last couple of days, and you have been looking at some properties online, and you finally found one you want to see in person. So, that agent is going to present you with an exclusive buyer agency agreement. And they'll go over that with you and everything, but it will be before you see your first house. That's it. That's the biggest difference. Everything else is basically the same. You still put in an offer and hopefully, fingers crossed, it gets accepted, and congratulations, your offer got accepted. Yay, we're under contract. But the biggest difference now is that you will have to sign buyer's agency agreement before your first showing instead of before putting in the offer. That's it. Comment below if you've had any kind of experiences with this, or if you've had a buyer agency agreement that was amazing, or some horror stories. I'd like to hear about those too. Like and subscribe for more. Peace!